My name is Senfa DiCosta and I'm a nurse by profession. I know coal is very dangerous for us. Since I'm a nurse, I know how people suffer. Coal, if in Chandor we get a coal hub, it will affect the people of Chandor. All my fellow people will be affected. They will have cancers and all type of respiratory disease. So when we had a rally on 2nd October, we the youth were part of it. If the youth is involved, we will have a great impact on other fellow villages also. So we should see that more and more people are involved so that this coal hub is stopped right away. I think if we perform some street plays or we put up a small play on social media, it will be of great help for the people of Goa, meaning they will learn from us also. Since the youth is very active, the elders who are there, they will support us. I request all you people to join us in this rally, in this protest to stop this coal hub uh, for the future generation. That is for us and for our people, for our generation that is coming.